Hi guys, welcome to the fourth video on Tkinter Python. In this video you will be learning how to create a message box in Tkinter like these types of message box. Let's start. First import Tkinter. Next create a window. To create a message box in Tkinter you have to import it. Next you have to create a button. Give a command to your button and give any name to your command. I will give it a name as show_messagebox. Next define the button. Create the message box. This should be the title of your message box. And this should be the message of your message box. Let's run the code. If you press this button, a message box will appear. That's all. Thank you.